Hi everybody in YouTube land. Overlook my eyes, they're giving me a little trouble today. They're a little red today. So I am about to make a bath bomb. Or maybe I might make a scrub. I just made a candle because I just got my candle kit from Amazon. Turn up. Bam. Candle kit. Candle making kit. Wax. Dye and oils. All that good stuff. And I just got my body for, it's a woman. I don't know if I'm gonna make that into soap or a candle. I'm not sure. I know babe wants a candle. These are for my bath bombs. And here's my candle. Look at it. I just made this. It smells so good. Like I wish you could smell it through the camera. Like it smells so good. Oh, I can't wait to burn that. I did not expect them to come out this well. But yeah, this is my candle. I didn't put any food color in it or dye because this is my first run and I just wanted to try it out and see how it will work. But it smells so good. I cannot wait to burn it. These little jars are so cute. Look how big this jar is. Okay. Oh, I'm ashy. Don't look at my ash. But this is how big the jar is. So I asked my mom if she wanted to make a candle with me. She was like, no. She just came out and was just like, you should try. You should have did two. You could try one in the refrigerator and one cools naturally. I was like, you could do the second one with me. We can use your flavors. No, I was just sharing my thoughts. Mom, come do something with me. She's about to take a nap. I need a nap, but I'm too excited to do this. So, yeah. So, I'm about to make some soap base. It's gonna be experimentation. So yeah, boil the water. I'm gonna do it like this because I grabbed the wrong pan to put my bowl in, so hopefully this works. So here's the soap I cut up in little pieces. I'm gonna add it to the pot. Now you see, I had to change pots. Gotta get a smaller pot so we can. I'm gonna put this on boil. This. Now I need some turmeric, and I feel like I have some, but I don't have my contacts in, and I didn't do this setup, or it might be in the back somewhere. Where's the turmeric? Is it in the back? There's nutmeg. Alrighty then. Still doing this thing. Might need to put more water in there. Maybe. So my candle's getting harder. It's getting solid, solidifying. Excitement. Now this soap on the other hand, it's not melting. Don't know why it's not melting. It just isn't melting. I don't know why. Maybe I need to put some milk in it, maybe? I don't know. It's weird. I think the problem is, I don't know. I thought I found my turmeric. How do you want to pronounce it? Okay. I'm gonna just let that sit for a while, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what to do. A lot of steam there. Get your facial on. I don't know. This soap does not want to melt. I put some water in it. But other than that, it doesn't want to melt. Does soap melt? Like, really though. I ain't never heard of soap melting. This definitely is not trying to melt. I'll put more water in the bottom so it can be like submerged in water. You can see. But this ain't working. It smells good though. It smells really good. This isn't working like I've seen on Pinterest. It's gonna be interesting. I need for it to liquefy so I can put turmeric in it. And then put it in my body pad. That's not a good thing. Okay, calm down a little bit. I let some air out on this side. Look at all that water that's coming out. But it still isn't melting. I guess a little bit, I guess. Put it in my body, girl. Look at that. Ooh, body. Oh, you can't really tell. You can't really see it, but yeah. It's body. Because I'm extra gay. Look at that booty. Ah, booty. Bam. Boing, boing, boing. I needed to work. Put it in my body, guys. I made a freaking candle for my periods. And it smells pretty darn good. I can't wait to light it. I'm so excited. It smells like clean. So excited. So, I was impatient and I jumped the gun and put the turmeric in there already. The soap isn't completely melted. I put some water in there too because I am impatient. We're going to see how this works. It probably ain't going to work very well because I put a lot of water in it. Like you could tell. You see all the water I put up in there. But I still have chunks of soap. So hopefully the water will melt the soap down because I put in boiling water. So we'll see. I'm gonna have to go back to the drawing boards on this one. Look at my perfect, beautiful candle though. I just clipped it, as you can tell. It looks pretty darn great if I do say so myself. Like, yes, candle. Now I'm gonna attempt to make a bath bomb. So I don't have any citric acid, so I'm going to just use lemon juice. Got me some coconut oil, cornstarch, baking soda, and I need some essential oils. Let's attempt to make this happen. Added lemon. Now I need a spoon for cornstarch. I made a mess. Well, like, make sure you clean up my kitchen. Baking soda didn't fail. Make sure you clean up my kitchen. I cleaned the kitchen before you did this. The kitchen better look and smell like how I left it before I laid down when I wake up. That's how my mom sounds in my head. So where's my lemon? I don't think I put enough lemon juice in here to make it react. Okay, that's enough. Put some coconut oil in here. It was so hot up in here. This was like solid. I don't know how much to put in, so I'm gonna just go with it. We're gonna roll with it today. Yeah. I think I need some more cornstarch. Use ingredients together before I put the baking soda in it. So this is cornstarch, lemon juice, and coconut oil. Mix it with my hand. And apparently it's supposed to be like a wet consistency. Like wet sand at the beach. That's the consistency it's supposed to be. And it's kind of like that now. Mush it up some more. It's like, ew, that's still going. Alright, let's add some baking soda. Baking soda. I don't know how much I'm supposed to add, but I'm just add some. So I get the right consistency, maybe. Well, I guess that's the right consistency. I guess. Yeah, it's like sand. That's happening again. I'll let that do its thing. I need some essential oils so that I can use lavender. Lavender. I'll go crazy with this one. Ooh, if I can open it. Here we go. I don't even see it dropping. Oh, yes it do. Yep. Smell it now. Don't need that much. I'm gonna put some sandalwood in this too because I love me some sandalwood. That flavor is like my favorite flavor. Okay, now let's mix it up. All the essential oils. I'm gonna try to make 3 of these. Let's see what happens. I'll put this in there. I don't know if I have enough. It needs to be compact in there. Compacted. This is all a learning experiment. We're learning as we go. That's the second one. Oh, I might not have enough for all three. Just one. A little bit more in this one. Oh, this is all of it. Okay, that was perfect for this one. Mush it in there. Mush it. Mush it in there. Okay. Dang, that was perfect amount for this one. One big one. Let's see if it works though. I don't know. I have doubt in my mind, you guys. I'm gonna try it out. See what happens. Here's the second one. Put them together. Here we have it, a perfect circle. Now I'm gonna sit this in the freezer, see if that'll help it solidify faster. Maybe. Freezer is packed, but we're gonna put it in there. Wow, wow. See what happens. Now let's get back to this soap. Because who knew this was happening over here? It still is not the right consistency. Like, I still have chunks. And you put it in the mold. And this is gonna be my mold for right now, my candle thing. Let's make this happen. Okay, this is as good as it's gonna get. This consistency, it's like bouncy. I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna roll with it. Bouncy consistency. Looks like pudding. Anyway, we're gonna put it in here. It's a little bit hot. I feel made a big mess. My mom's gonna low-key kill me. Alright, we're gonna pour it in here. Maybe. Just a little bit at a time. You know, I don't think soap is just my thing to make. This did not come out good, but maybe this is just, maybe it's too soon to call it. Maybe. I mean, not really for what I'm looking at, but maybe it's too soon to call it. Flat it up, and I'm gonna put it in the freezer and see if it sets fast. I'm gonna attempt to make scrubs. Some sugar scrubs. Sugar scrub. I need some. I'm gonna use brown sugar, regular sugar, coconut oil, and these are my essential oils. That sandalwood I was talking about, and sweet orange and vanilla. So we're gonna do 2 cups of sugar, brown sugar. It's 2 cups of sugar. Should be 2.5, but I don't know how much I'm gonna make. Then 3/4. Get some sugar up in here. I feel like this is not enough. Okay. That little bit I added in there. So I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients in first. I'm gonna put it back in this container. This is all nice and mixed up. Brown sugar and white sugar. Get it some white. Nice. Now we're about to add the essential oils first, and then the coconut, because then it's gonna make it mushy, and then honey. Okay, so I mixed all my ingredients together, and it smells amazing. Like, this smells like it could be a freaking cake. Like, just everything I needed in it. I put in some extra ingredients too to make it healthier for your skin and work really good for your skin. So yeah, that's done and it feels great. You can feel it. Like, I can feel it wiping away. There you have it, homemade sugar scrub. And it smells really good. Okay, here's my candle. I just lit it. I'm trying to make sure it doesn't flame up, you know. I have the salt just in case. You know, just in case. I'm nervous. It's almost there. Who knew? I'm prepared. What is going on? I'm nervous. It's freaking me out, yo. I probably should have cut it shorter.